So friends, welcome to the channel Trinetra. I have started this channel from many years, but I have renamed it as Trinetra. Inspire, imagine and innovate. So let's start this video. This video is based on Pythagoras theorem. So we all know Pythagoras theorem, and we all know that Pythagoras theorem has many proofs also. But this is a proof I have made it with the help of equilateral triangle and the radius of circles. So statement is like this: if two diameters are drawn perpendicular to each other, then the square of chord, that is the adjacent two non-angular points, is equal to the sum of the square of two radii. So we should prove that AD square, that is C square, equal to R square plus R square, AO square plus OD square. Here AOD angle is the 90 degree. So let us see the given. AO is perpendicular on OD. So angle AOD equal to 90 degree and AO equal to OD, because they both are the radius of radii of same circle. Then AD equal to C, that is it is a chord. So to prove C square equal to R square plus R square. Proof. So let us start the proof. Area of triangle AOD. The area of triangle AOD is R square by 2. So area of triangle is half into base into height. So half into AO into OD, that is half into R into R. It will give you R square by 2. Mark it as equation number 1. Then area of triangle AOD by another formula, that is Heron's formula. Square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Here S is AO plus OD plus AD divided by 2, that is R plus C by 2, which gives you 2R plus C by 2. Now area of triangle AOD equal to square root of 2R plus C by 2 into 2R plus C by 2 minus R into 2R plus C by 2 minus R and 2R plus C by 2 minus C. Here the side A is the R and the B is the R and the C is the C itself. 2R plus C by 2 is the semi-perimeter of the triangle AOD. So by simplifying this, square root of 2 in the next step, square root of 2R plus C by 2 into 2R plus C minus 2R by 2 and 2R plus C minus 2R by 2 and again 2R plus C minus 2C by 2. I am marking here in this step. Next is this step, 2R plus C by this step will give you the next step, that is 2R plus C by 2 as usual. 2R plus C by C minus 2R by 2 will give you C by 2, and the next one 2R plus C by 2 minus 2R will give you again C by 2, and this step 2R plus C minus 2C by 2 will give you 2R minus C by 2. So if we simplify it further, we will get square root of 4R square minus C square divided by 4 into C square by 4. This is our equation number 2. Moving further, that is from 1 and 2, the first equation is R square by 2 and the second equation is square root of 4R square minus C square by 4 into C square by 4. So by simplifying this, we will get c square into 4r square minus c square divided by 16. That is 4 into 4 16 c square into 4r square minus c square. So this square root gets transposed to RHS side. It will become square, that is r square by 2 whole square. Let me rub this. Next, the next step is c square into 4r square minus c square divided by 16 equal to r to power 4, that is r square into r square whole square will give you r to power 4, and 2 square will give you 4. So by multiplying this 16 goes to right side and it becomes and it goes in the numerator. So 16 r to power 4 by 4. Next is by simplifying this, that is c square into 4r square minus c square will give you 4r square minus 4r square c square minus c to power 4. And here 16r to power 4 divided by 4 will give you 4r to the power 4. So this whole step, that is 4r square minus c to power 4 will go to the right side. So here nothing is remaining. So 0 equal to 4r to power 4 minus 4r square plus c to power 4. Means this will become like the a plus b whole square formula, that is 2r square whole square. It will give you 4r to power 4 plus c to power 4, that is c square, and minus 2 into minus 2 into 2r square into c square. It will give you 4r square c square and equal to 0 as it is. Next step is wholes 2r square minus c square whole square is equal to 0. So as we have seen in the previous step, that is 2r square whole square. Wait for 1 minute please. And this is 2r square whole square plus c square whole square minus 2 into 2r square plus c square. It will give, it is equal to 0. So in this same step we are gonna continue the next step also, that is 2r square minus c square whole square. It is equal to 0 by a square plus b square minus 2ab equal to a minus b whole square formula. So next step is this square goes to the RHS side and it becomes square root, that is 2r square minus c square equal to square root of 0. So square root of 0 gives no sense, that is 0. 2r square minus c square equal to 0. Next is c square comes to the right hand side and becomes 2r square equal to c square. Then 2r square is nothing but the r square plus r square. C square equal to r square plus r square. This was our required proof and we have proved it. Hope you have liked this video and theory. So please like, share and subscribe the Trinetra channel.